Welcome to Georgia. It's amazing. How you doing? Come to the Wine Hostel Sanavardo. Volunteer. Have a rest. Come to the vineyard. Pick some grapes. Smash it. Make wine. With the leftover, make chacha. Drink the chacha. Get crazy.
I love harvesting in Georgia. It's one of my favorite things we've done so far. Get to get dirty, get to look out for snakes, get to eat a whole bunch of grapes when no one's looking, and get to eat like almost half a watermelon.
Good evening and welcome to Wine Hostel Sanavardo. We have the first day of the harvest and it's a special celebration. And today we have different guests from different countries. First of all, we have amazing team from Poland, a special guest from Russia, also special guest from United States. Boss of the evening, the only and the legendary, the most amazing, Mr. No, not Mr. Senior Antonio Rizzi, who prepared the dinner.
So we have some chicken, there are some figs from the garden right here, pasta salad using walnuts from the tree in the backyard as well, classic tomato and cucumber salad, some roasted cauliflower, some puri of course, and some imaruli cheese, cabbage salad, so kind of like a supra of sorts. And the grapes we harvested today. Can't forget those. And some beautiful wine from Saponevi grapes as well. Sanavardo vino. So cheers.
Good evening and welcome to Wine Hostel Sanavardo, and we are having the man is beating the cow.